everyone, Dev Walker here, and welcome back to my channel. Give your girl a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoy travel, lifestyle, fashion, and a little bit of yapping videos. I am back with another unboxing, y'all. Your girl got a couple of new pairs of shoes in. It's just a few. It's just 3. I needed these, okay? But I have been neglecting my YouTube family. I keep forgetting that these platforms have their own audiences. So by the time I show my new ins to Instagram and TikTok, I'll be completely forgetting about YouTube. So please forgive me. So let's get into my new in shoes. The first pair is none other than the designer that I actually love to hate. He is the toxic ex that I cannot let go of, and that is none other than Mr. Christian Louboutin. I grabbed these shoes from the Bergdorf Goodman shoe sale here in New York City. Got these back in February, and I just couldn't say no, y'all. These are the, I want to say they're the Miss Z Desert Sandals, but y'all, get into the colors. I love the orange, the yellow, the blue, and I just loved everything about these. I just had to have them. And I really love that they tie in a bow in the back. I'm not really a fan of sandals that tie up like your calf because my calves are rather skinny. So I love that you can tie these into a bow, and it's really just the color for me, y'all. I cannot wait to wear these. I know it's going to go crazy with my Dior saddlebag, which I unboxed for you guys a couple of weeks ago. I will link that down below in the description box. But y'all, this is the perfect summer sandal. Now, this shoe retailed for $1,095, which is $1,100, and then they were on sale for $766.50, but I did not pay that. They were reduced again at Bergdorf Goodman, and I paid around $470, $480 after taxes. Can't complain, can't beat that. That's well over 50% off, and y'all, they're just beautiful. It's quite the high heel, and it is a bit of an arch, so I don't really expect these to be the most comfortable, but hey, beauty is pain, and these are absolutely worth it. So I will be wearing these while complaining about how much I hate them. But yo, just look. Love these shoes. Let me know what you think. The next 2 pairs of shoes are actually from a designer who I've never purchased from before, so I was very excited, and that is from Miss Rene Caovilla. I actually really like the boxes. First of all, I love the bright red, and you know I am a sucker for gold trim. You know, if you're not familiar, Rene Caovilla makes these very loud, statement, bold, fun, just amazing shoes with all types of stones and embroidery and just all the things. But okay, let's get into it. So I'm going to unbox both of these at the same time because I'm toxic, y'all. I basically got the same shoe in 2 different colorways. So I went to the Rene Caovilla sample sale here in New York City just a few weeks ago. And y'all, they ran a very strict program. You were not allowed to take any pictures or any videos whatsoever. You could not be on FaceTime. It was pretty much every girl for themselves. So everyone was typically going for like the chandelier style sandals, which was cute and all. But girl, get into the boots. Get into the Chelsea boots with the gold wraparound snake. Like, they just had to come with me. And not only did they had to come with me, their sister, I'm going to call them the sister shoe, they had to come with me as well. Get into that gunmetal, y'all. I'm sorry, I just couldn't decide. There's no way I could pick one. At first, my heart was set on the gold because that was the first pair that caught my attention. And although I'm not a silver girl, this gunmetal was very much talking to me as well. And here they are both next to each other. There's no way you can make me choose. There is no way you were going to make me pick one. Absolutely not. I believe, don't quote me on the name, but I want to say these are the Cleopatra boots. I think that's the style, but I really like the suede. I don't own a pair of Chelsea boots at all, so I was really excited to have something of this style. It's a little bit more casual and more chic, but not with like a crazy high heel or a ridiculous arch. You can see that I can dress them up because of this gold, and I could also dress them down with like some jeans and a t-shirt if I wanted to. So girl, I cannot wait to wear these. So quick correction, the style is called the Cleo boots, but I just wanted to show them to y'all again. Can we just look at that gold. Just look at that. Look at that bright yellow gold with crystals. And then look at that amazing, stunning gunmetal. To me, it's like the perfect neutral meets the perfect pop. I feel like even though they are the same exact shoe with a different type of embellishment, I feel like these have completely different styles and would serve two completely different purposes. I cannot wait to wear both of them. Now, the price of these boots, these currently are retailing for $2,150. Ouch, ouch, and ouch. I got these at the sample sale for $550 each. So I ended up buying both, and I spent $1,100 on both shoes, which is really getting two for less than the price of one. Like, we're talking almost 75% off of retail. And y'all thought I was gonna leave both pairs behind? Big win, if you ask me. So I love all my shoes. They are perfect for spring and summer, like my Louboutins are. But yeah, I am so happy with my new purchases. So that concludes my very quick new in footwear. I feel like I recorded this pretty quickly, but let me know what you think. I'm still trying to figure out outfit ideas for each of these shoes, but the weather is starting to get warmer here in New York City. You see that natural light coming in. Please give me all of the sun and warmth, please. But drop your ideas in the comments. And if you made it this far, please give your girl a thumbs up and subscribe. I would love to have you here on this side of the internet. We got a couple more new in products coming in. We do have a Black owned haul coming in. I'm just waiting for one more piece to arrive in the mail, and then I will be showing you guys that. But until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.